Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off the iPhone to avoid accidental network signals and ensure the tray moves smoothly. Find the SIM tray on the right side. You'll see a small circular hole. Once located, align a proper SIM eject tool or a straightened paperclip with the hole. Press gently but firmly. You want a steady push, not a jab, because the mechanism is delicate. Make sure to hold the phone flat on a soft surface. This prevents drops and keeps the tray from sliding into the bezel. Now press the eject tool straight into the hole until the tray pops out a few millimeters. Once it does, stop pressing. Grip the tray with your fingers and pull it out slowly, using pliers risks bending the tray. Observe the SIM's orientation, gold contacts face down, and the corner notch matches the tray. Remove the SIM by lifting from the edge. Handle it by the edges to keep oils off contacts. If you plan to swap cards, note which slot was active to preserve carrier settings. To finish, set the SIM into the tray with the gold contacts down or leave the tray empty if removing. Slide the tray back in gently until it's flush. Forcing it will damage the seal. Power the iPhone on and check for carrier bars and service. You might be prompted for a SIM PIN. If there's no signal, power off and reset the SIM, try a different known good SIM, restart again, and check settings general about for carrier updates. That usually resolves recognition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.